Have you ever wondered why some stories captivate our imagination and linger in our thoughts long after they've ended, while others fade away as if they were nothing more than a fleeting dream? The secret lies not in magic, but in the artistry of storytelling, a meticulous craft that transforms ordinary tales into unforgettable narratives. Now, imagine channeling that captivating artistry into creating a faceless YouTube channel that is both riveting and mysterious. The thought might seem challenging, but you're about to uncover the master key to engaging your audience without showcasing yourself. Prepare to ignite curiosity from the beginning and sustain it until the very end. Introducing the unsung hero of narrative creation. Elliot, a quiet genius who has unlocked the secrets of riveting storytelling, all without ever being in front of the camera. However, Elliot wasn't always the narrative virtuoso he is today. His journey began with an unexpected twist. As a child, he was entranced not by the faces on the screen, but by the enthralling tales spun by unseen voices behind the scenes. As he matured, Elliot decided to champion those who, like himself, wished to tell stories while remaining unseen. Thus began his quest, a journey to decode the essential elements of compelling storytelling, specifically tailored for the faceless storytelling ventures dominating digital platforms. Early in his journey, Elliot discovered the undeniable power of relatability. Whether exploring an enigmatic underground world or embarking on a mysterious journey to uncover hidden treasures, he found that stories truly thrive when they evoke deep emotions. Elliot's first lesson was both simple and profound. Anchor your narrative with emotions. Emotions draw people in like a magnet, transforming viewers into a vibrant community. He realized that without a visible face, the voiceover must shoulder that emotional weight. This realization became his mantra. A faceless story is a soul's whisper, waiting to be heard. With that whisper, you have the potential to captivate millions, engaging viewers one at a time and leaving a lasting impact on all who encounter your narrative. Yet what happens when a story begins to lose its tension, when the excitement dissipates, and the narrative becomes predictable? Elliot faced this challenge head-on by incorporating the element of surprise into his storytelling. He introduced plot twists designed to leave viewers astonished, keeping them tightly clutching each new reveal. These unexpected turns not only kept his audience on their toes, but also sparked virtual discussions and speculation, gradually building a loyal fan base eager for the next chapter. To maintain intrigue, Elliot aligned moments of unpredictability with a thematic resonance that amplified his core message, ensuring that every twist served a deeper purpose within his stories. As Elliot delved even deeper into the archives of stories past, those that had left an indelible mark and stood the test of time, he uncovered yet another vital insight: the importance of crafting a unique narrative voice. A voiceover isn't confined to merely reading a script. It serves as the narrator who guides the viewer through the universe of the story. Crafting a distinct voice that resonates with your story's essence is paramount. Is it lighthearted and whimsical, enveloping the listener in warmth and joy? Or perhaps dark and brooding, evoking mystery and suspense? Your voice sets the mood and tone for your story, so embrace each word as though it's the most important word you'll ever say. Throughout his pursuit of narrative mastery, Elliot stumbled upon a surprising yet powerful truth. Simplicity often wields the greatest power. In a world overwhelmed by visual and auditory stimuli, straightforward narratives can cut through the noise, reaching audiences far and wide. Elliot, therefore, refined his scripts by stripping away superfluous complexity, unveiling the very heart of each tale. This insight became central to his storytelling philosophy. Keep it simple, because simplicity speaks louder and resonates more powerfully than complexity. Engaging in tireless work, Elliot applied the art of circularity, tying his narratives back to their origins, leaving audiences with that electrifying aha moment. In each new video, he quietly seeded clues, creating a breadcrumb trail that led to a crescendo of revelations. This holistic approach to story arc construction meant that each individual episode became a significant chapter in a larger narrative. Viewers were offered both a linear experience and standalone journeys, transforming them from passive recipients into active participants in an evolving dialogue. Yet even as Elliot reached the pinnacle of his storytelling prowess, he faced a formidable adversary: time constraints. Faceless channels, often reliant on narrations and subtitles in lieu of visual cues, demand careful pacing to maintain audience engagement. A story paced too slowly risks disinterest, while one told too quickly may lose crucial details, confusing viewers. Striking the right balance became essential. Tempo variations achieved through tone, strategic pauses, and emphasis sustained viewer engagement from start to finish. Elliot's greatest realization came through his encounter with adversity. No story truly thrives in isolation. Collaboration can illuminate new paths and introduce multidimensional perspectives into narratives. This revelation inspired Elliot to reach out to fellow creators, blending distinct voices and perspectives into his projects. This harmonization not only enriched his narratives but also expanded his reach, infusing his content with freshness and vitality that kept it exhilarating. Ultimately, Elliot emerged as a beacon for faceless storytellers who sought to own their narratives. His journey, marked by triumphs and abundant lessons, had one constant element: his unwavering passion for the unseen magic of storytelling. And while he reflected on his journey thus far, he realized with renewed energy that the adventure was just beginning. For stories, much like the infinite cosmos, are in a state of perpetual creation. So, what happens next? With these insights from Elliot and the art of faceless narrative crafting in your grasp, it's now time to chart your own unique path. Emerge from the shadows, not with the power of visual prowess, but with a tale robust enough to ignite wildfires of imagination. And always remember, even in silence, a story whispered can echo louder than the roaring waves. But Elliot's journey continues, for in the next exciting episode we delve into a shadowy world that few dare to explore. How to distinguish yourself in a saturated market without ever showing your face. Are you ready to embark on this new adventure? Can you afford to miss it? Prepare to be enthralled as we unravel these mysterious secrets and more.